But on the last date of hearing, the state was directed to produce the original file pertaining to the charge sheet dated 7/10/2007.
Can see the last date of proceeding, my lord. There was a specific direction, last opportunity was granted, my lord. Otherwise,
The matter may be heard finally, my lords, but the OIC of the case is present today and he says that the record is not being able to be traced, my lords, in the department. So he has called the another department, my lords.
क्या कहना आपका ओरिजिनल फाइल ही नहीं है?
Yes, my lords, it could not be traced in the department since the original file of the year 2007, my lords, they are not able to trace the file and therefore they have called the report, the copy from the another department, my lords.
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
My lordship, if we can be given 6 to 8 weeks time, then we are in position. Based on
अभी आपने क्या स्टेप्स लिया?
my lordship, we have traced the file throughout our department, but we are unable to get that file. They're separate. The same cases being in ED and IT cell, so we are trying to get those files from there. My lordship.
क्या ईडी का केस भी चल रहा था?
नहीं, हुआ क्या था हमारा इसमें एक इनकम टैक्स की रेट पड़ी थी हमारे यहाँ, उसी रेट के आधार पे केस बना था, उसी पे इन्हें मुझे चार्जशीट भी दिया था। तो मैंने स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग की है कि उस चार्जशीट को इंक्वायरी ऑफिसर ने प्री म्यूचुअल बताया था कि आपने ईडी के रेट के कारण चार्जशीट दी है,
ड्रॉप हो गई।
वो ड्रॉप हो गया। ईडी के इंक्वायरी में बाद में हम एक्विटल हो गया, उसके अगेंस्ट ये एग्जीक्यूशन हो गया। उसके बाद ये हाईकोर्ट भी आया, हाईकोर्ट से भी इनकी अपील खारिज हो गई थी इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट की। Thereafter, I have retired in the year 2016, Mala. Thereafter, pension has not been given. Nothing has been paid. A single penny has not been paid to the petitioner.
फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ फरवरी रखने को
मालूम।
नहीं तो भी
ये only case of that case is squarely covered with the rule 9 proviso of rule 9(4), Mala. Which says कि अगर 2 साल में इंक्वायरी, अगर मान भी ले कि इंक्वायरी चल रही है, तो 2 साल के बाद ये रोक ही नहीं सकते माला पेंशन तो। So that may be directed to release my pension at least, Mala.
अभी आपको कितना मिल रहा है?
कुछ नहीं दे रहा ना, nothing has been,
वो है
कुछ भी नहीं पे किया। बोले तारीख रिक्वेस्ट नहीं हो रही, मैं बार-बार रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा तो कभी नहीं दिया। तो उसके बाद हमें आए, nothing has been paid to me, Mala. और kindly see consider the provision of law, Mala. Rule 9(4).
क्या और फीचर ऑफ पेंशन का ऑर्डर नहीं?
नहीं, वो तो है ही नहीं। एक्विटल हो गया क्रिमिनल केस में, तो हाईकोर्ट से इनकी ये अपील भी खारिज हो गई।
एंटीसिपेटरी भी नहीं दी?
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, एक पैसा का पेमेंट नहीं माला।
आप किस पोस्ट पे हैं?
Sir, मैं डिप्टी डायरेक्टर हूँ सर।
कहाँ पे हैं?
सर लीगल सेल देख रहा हूँ सर, डायरेक्टरेट हेल्थ सर्विसेज सर।
ये इंदौर,
सर
भोपाल। तो पेंशन एंटीसिपेटरी तो देना पड़ेगी। आपका रिकॉर्ड मिले या ना मिले, एंटीसिपेटरी कैसे रोकेंगे आप? लिखिए। श्री मनोज माला।
मैं read 11 portion, Mala, only for the.
अरे
Because after 2 years, my lord, there is a specific provision, but the rule, proviso of rule 5(b), my lord, if the departmental proceedings are not completed within a period of 2 years from the date of institution of the entire amount of pension so withheld shall stand restored to the expiration of the appropriate period of 2 years. तो वो कब तक है? मुझे 7 की चार्जशीट है और रिटायर में 2016 में हो चुके हैं।
तब तक आपको दिलवाते हैं। श्री मनोज मालव for the petitioner MS Pranjali Chaturvedi and with Deputy Director, क्या नाम है? श्री
डॉक्टर राहुल श्रीवास्तव।
डॉक्टर राहुल श्रीवास्तव, डिप्टी डायरेक्टर हेल्थ सर्विसेज लीगल भोपाल is present in the is present. A prayer is made for further grant of time to produce the original file pertaining to charge sheet dated 7/12/2007. Also for the state submits that despite efforts, the original file could not be traced out, and it is submitted that since the petitioner had faced ED and other cases. Therefore, the original file, therefore, to trace out the original file, further time is required. In the request of counsel for the state, the matter is directed to be listed for further hearing in the month of February 2025, first week of February. It is made clear that if the original law is not produced on the certain, the matter will be heard on the basis of the record available. Plus, the concept for the petitioner further submitted that petitioner is a retired government servant. So he is not even paid. He is not being paid even anticipatory. Provisional
pension or other retired dues, madam.
provisional pension and other retirement dues. Full stop. The respondents are directed to pay provisional pension to him in accordance with the law.
But in case,
Within 15 days.
because in our reply, we have stated that he retired in 2016 and at that point of time, DE was continued, Manoj.
Madam, nothing on the
डी आप पेंशन कैसे रोक सकते
Well, but whether there is any order by the governor or not, would that is also to be looked into.
So any rule that because of pendency of D, can you withhold the pension?
Well, as
Rule 9.
Rule 9,
Rule like 20 said.
yes, Manoj, that is to be,
Can't stop. And
yes,
that provisional pension you have to pay.
yes, Manoj. I'm only stating whatever,
It's an order
yes,
for fitting the pension, etc. That,
on the basis
and
of,
then you can't stop it. लिखिए ठीक
Within 15 days, madam.
within 15 years, within 30 days from today. You get it? Pay him, ask government to pay him.
Pension and part of the gratuity amount, madam.
Gratuity, I don't know, subject to that.
नहीं, सब्जेक्ट तो फाइनेंशियल लिबर्टी का तो कोई केस ही नहीं, इनका चार्जशीट देख ले, चार्जशीट रिकॉर्ड पे।
वो अभी जो भी है,
सेकंड वाला है लास्ट टाइम की मैं ये डायरेक्टर हेल्थ सर्विसेज को कॉल करूंगा अगर नहीं आएगा तो, मतलब डेड पार्टी
इस
रिमेन because मतलब they are not producing anything, मतलब they have already filed a reply already on record, मतलब we said them by contention.
क्लाइंट भी डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं.
No, that is true, मतलब but now it's अपने मतलब हाशिक
वो रिकॉर्ड वैसा है. ठीक है, आने दीजिए. इतने दिन बाद भी अभी आपको प्रोविजनल पेंशन. यस मिस्टर शर्मा.
39, last time I learned friend, I'm bringing a short date, my lord, on the last date of hearing. State was directed to procure that verification report which was called at the time of hearing of bail application. Power of attorney जिसको कि forced बताया गया है, वो bail